finna see some dog racing. This the race dog track.
Dog track, even they do.
But these dogs finna say, roll, roll, roll. Yeah. Dog, 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 dog. Shit.
They.
But we finna
I
see.
ain't cold. Oh yeah, the Duke of
Man, shut your old meat overdue looking ass up.
Man, shut your yo.
Sound sack no looking ass.
Shut your I like jelly beans looking self.
So I like jelly bean looking ass.
Hold on, I got it.
What y'all doing? Y'all so disoriented. Move your face out the freaking camera. You see, I'm trying to get that dog. What you want me to do? Take a picture of that dog?
I'm gonna take. Never mind. That would be stupid.
Yeah, you doing right.
I'm about to say something stupid. Take a picture of me and the dogs running. You dumb.
You stupid.
That's what I said. You dumb. Jumba.
You dumb too. Shut up.
But if I'm dumb, how am I going to the 3rd grade?
You dumb going to 3rd grade.
Well, Antoine don't know how to read. I do too. Fine. You want to tell the truth? I can read 7th grade books.
You can't read.
I can't. You don't believe him? You don't believe him? Okay, spell T.
You spell how you if you don't even know the word say how you go spell the word for him. You go.
Okay then spell say A-M-E-R.
You want
You
dog.
want me to say the word with spell? Say it.
Can't spell.
Then everybody dog.
Spell double.
Hey. D-O-L.
What? Dog. It's D-I-U-G-H. How you dog?
B-I-U-G.
Spell puh. Spell puh.
Really, that ain't not. You can make spell.
Spell puh.
Okay, right there.
That's not that word. It's dope. It's P-U-H. Puh.
She in a bet. She bet.
Don't you worry,
Bet.
don't you worry, child.
Got a bet. Bet.
What?
Yeah.
I ain't say nothing.
Spell double. D-I-U-G-H.
Bet on the race. You bet on the race.
Move your hair out my camera.
Bet on the race.
I got time
On
for
the
that.
race.
Hey, who
Bet
who
on the
y'all
race.
bet gonna win, guys?
I bet number 7.
I bet number 1.
Man, you
Just
bet
like
number
the horse.
2.
I bet number 1. I bet number 3. I bet number 8. I bet all of
You
them.
can't bet all of them.
I ain't say all of them.
I'm talking to him, not you. You gonna start disoriented.
What's going on over there?
They have cells.
Round of the starting box 12 race, grade B, sprint course, Hamilton.
They getting ready. That's that. When you hear them doing that, they finna warm up. Here you go.
Come on, like she finna enjoy this. Like she trying to get straight.
You ready, boy?
I'm gonna see them run right.
Let's get ready to rumble.
How you gonna bust it open though?
They finna open them.
But they trying. Tell me they ain't finna drop this whole thing.
Don't drop the soap.
Man, little.
You little. Shut up.
No, look at him.
Leave them people alone. That's a boy, you dummy.
No, I said he little.
That's a boy.
Little boy. But they gonna go all the way down there to the stairs right there. Oh snap.
Set for go, race 12, grade B, sprint course, that's now race done.
Here you go.
They don't look pretty. They don't look pretty.
Here comes
you go.
Rusty. Racing
Look.
back half of the Musco Twins.
It won't be him.
Two beats the gate, 4 rushes up 5.
Second.
3-1, 6
But like,
7, 2-5, and
they running for him.
Russ has the lead, 2 resurgently grabbed the lead. I marked Diablo at 2-5.
Hey, ever seen one of the dogs grab the hand before?
7 and 3.
Hey, see, ever seen one of the dogs grab the
Y'all better
hand?
get at me. Y'all better get at me.
Larry Quinn is in the win.
Shut up, this ain't no win.
5-4-2.
I told y'all you gonna win. I told you you gonna win, yeah.
He want that hand bad. He said, give me the hand. Give me the hand.
Told you he was gonna win, yeah.
Well, why they stop it right there?
Cause you won.